Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nil donuwa kwezon?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, anamegelonu. Afamu ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon. And this is another edition of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So you already know why we do this. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So shout out to Ace for sending in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Ace to describe herself, and she gave me a lot of really good adjectives and things like that. Words like loyal and intelligent, but I noticed a common theme in a lot of the ones that she gave me, like warrior and fierce and feisty. So I'm gonna give Ace the name Azoka. Come on, say that with me. Azoka. Good. So Azoka, the best way to describe that, so Azo kind of means like behind or back. So it kind of means like the people behind you, or the experiences and things like that behind you. And Ka means greater than or bigger than, stronger, exceedingly better, things like that. So Azoka together means something to the tune of the people behind you defend you or protect you and kind of give you this bold spirit. So Azokas tend to be bold, confident, and very outgoing. So let me know what you think. Is that a fitting name for her? Azoka. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Like this video and share it with all the Azokas that you know. If you want to send your own Igbo Name of the Day request in, hit my Instagram DM in the description. And if you don't have an Igbo name, don't worry, I'll gift you one. Alright, thanks. Take care.